Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to properly add a TXT or Dmarc record on your Klaviyo account using any hosting site or platform. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So to actually do this is quite simple, and the first thing that you want to do is you want to make sure that you have your Klaviyo site open and you're logged in as an administrator as well as your hosting site. So in this case, I'm using Hostinger, as you can see here, to host my Klaviyo website. So the first thing we need to do is we want to go to the domains tab, usually found at settings. So to get there, you guys will want to click on your profile icon on the bottom left corner of the screen. Click on settings like so, and it'll take you to this page here where you'd want to click on email. So when you guys click on email, you'll see right away that there's the fourth option says domains. So you'd want to click on this. And the idea here is we're trying to extract the name server from our website. So let's pretend that this is my website right here. We're going to click on edit, select a DNS provider. We'll just put other, click on next. And here are the name servers that are tied to our Klaviyo site. So in this case, it's this one right here. So you'd want to click on copy. And let's pretend that I actually have the Klaviyo website registered as a domain under Hostinger. So you guys would want to navigate here, click on domains, and let's pretend that it's this one because I can't actually add a new domain that's tied with Klaviyo. So let's click on manage, and it'll take you to this page here where you'd want to click on this tab that says DNS name servers. So when you click on this, you'd want to choose the type of record that you want to enter. And because it's a Dmarc record, we're going to choose TXT. And then we're going to paste the name server value. So it's this one right here, as you can see. And as for the TXT value, it's important that it's always this one. So it's a v equals Dmarc1 semicolon p equals none. And then you simply add record and you guys are done. That's how we do it. So yeah, hopefully this video helped you guys out, and if it did, be sure to let us know down in the comment section below. And yeah, thank you all for watching the video, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.